This is Kevin. Hey, Kevin.
How you doing, RJ?
He just drove 1,200 miles to pick himself up a Bird Man Sonic. Am I calling it? Identify what it is.
You got it. The company's called Sonic. This company was out of Madrid, Spain, and they made pinball games in the 70s and the 80s, and you don't see too many of them here in America.
Cool.
So.
How long you been looking for it?
About 6 years.
Great. And drove 1,200 miles to pick it up.
Yeah, and then I'm going to Cleveland, and then I'm driving another 1,200 miles back. So, the good news is I got a place to stay tonight.
That's right. With a warm body next to you.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Well, it'll be interesting because, so this is the kind of joker I am. My girlfriend has no idea. You know, I think about it and it's like, yeah, I could have paid $300, whatever, $400 for shipping. And
Is that
unfortunately, it's cheap and heavy particle board.
Right.
It's not plywood. We could have, worked on the haggling skills, but it was just a matter of, you know what? I didn't see any risk.
We did maintain it.
Yeah. No, it's in good shape. And the person I know has been collecting for that. Maybe not that long.
Is he also
about my age? And
is he also a Sonic collector?
he's just a collector, period, and he knows what's going on with this game.
Cool.
So that's more water damage. This thing was submerged at least up to
The first 12 or 18
that
inches.
rest line right there.
Yeah.
And that's right at the bottom.
So I'm sorry, you were saying something?
That's hilarious. Just in time, too. Look at that.
Yeah. We're just ahead of the storm.
So, I'm going to cover this up with a blanket.
You're clear. Good job, man. Thank you. Good to see you, Kevin.
Say goodbye, Bird Man.
Bye, Bird Man. He's going to go to a happy home.
All right.